those are all bats that you're listening to. You can see. So here at our private cenote, I forget the name of it, but we'll look it up and add it in later for you. It was pretty awesome. Duncan found it on this app that we've been using. It's called IOverlander. We'll link it below. It's an amazing app to help you find campsites and just awesome places along your way. And yeah, we camped here last night. And so we just woke up this morning and we'll be the first ones in. First and only ones in. We are currently in Bahia Huatulco. Beautiful, as you can see, as is everywhere in Mexico. But we're going back and editing videos, and so we wanted to give you a little bit of info about the cenote in this video that you're watching. We have no idea how to pronounce it, so I'm probably going to butcher it, but it's Mayan. Kankrixche is what I would wager. It's written below. Well, actually, let's backtrack. When we were en route to the cenote, we stopped at Cenote Zaci, which is one that like everybody talked about. It's much bigger. It was beautiful. It had a little waterfall. We both got to dip in it, but we had to do it separately, take turns, because Loki wasn't allowed in. But then this one is much smaller. Duncan found it on IOverlander, like I said, and we are able to camp here overnight. And so in the morning, we woke up and had private cenote all to ourselves, sharing it with the bats.
And we found this leaving the Yucatan, and it was kind of a godsend because all over the Yucatan, we had a really hard time finding camp spots that would allow us to have Loki with us. So for us, that's our biggest requirement, and the fact that just this was on our route and it fit that need, we were stoked about it. Just with the Cenote too, it was like a cherry on top that we killed both those birds with one stone, or what do you like to say?
Grew two flowers with one seed. You know, it was an amazing campground, super chill. They did have bathrooms, running water, flush toilets, and showers. We didn't actually use the shower, but I'm assuming they were just cold water is what they looked like.
Oh, nowhere. So the fact that they had that in the middle of the jungle was amazing.
Yeah, but they did not have toilet paper, so make sure you have that. 150 pesos for us to camp. We've heard different prices, so it's a little bit negotiable, I guess. That's what they asked of us. So we did it, and it was 30 pesos each to just swim. So yeah, that was our first time testing out our new tent. We've been sleeping in the van, but we got a new tent. And so we kind of alternate depending on the setting, and this was a good spot for that. There were mosquitoes, which was great, and it was a little bit cooler, but there were a lot of sweat bees. They didn't bother me, but they seemed to love Duncan or hate you, however you want to look at it.
I was handling more of cleaning dishes and putting away our wet towels and things like that, and I think that's why they were more attracted to me.
I think it was because you were swatting at them and I was leaving them be.
Maybe that's
pun intended. This is the drive from our campground at the cenote. Check out this drive we got going on. It's gonna be bumpy because that's what we're experiencing. There's no way around it.
And the club is bumping.
Oh my gosh, you're such a dork. How was your cenote trip?
It's really good.
You're on camera.
Oh, great. The bugs were crazy.
Just sweat bees. They weren't mosquitoes.
Yeah, they weren't biting you, but I got stung everywhere.
I didn't get stung once, knock on wood.
But yeah, I think we both needed something refreshing like this, and it's both one of our favorite spots so far. Highly recommend it.
All right, we're signing off. Hi, Loki. What do you think of all of that?